Huh?
Is it milk?
No, it's not milk.
What is it?
It's pawpaw.
What's pawpaw?
You know that yellow one that Daddy gave you with seeds inside? When we in the when we're in Bulawayo. And you guys said, no, you don't want it. That's what it is.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Careful it doesn't fall on you. Ah, eh. Uli kanjani? Wait, Oti. There you go. There you go. Simple as that, Othniel. There. Oh, look, you were poking it.
Oh.
That's why. If you hit it with a stick, you're poking it.
Is it
Put it in
mango?
the house. No, it's not mango. I told you, it's called pawpaw.
Are you killing him?
Put it in the house.
He needs it already. No, don't go over the fence. Eat. He's not doing anything, I told you. He's just...
I think Kulu did.
No, it flies, Mama. Then this chicken come back in. Go back! No. Get the chicken.
Leave the chicken alone, guys.
Okay, it's time to let all of the chicken out.
No, ask Kulu first.
Let's go inside.
Sissy, you're working hard, huh? So why are you running away on a... Huh?
Their babies are trapped in the spike area. See, they are trying to get their babies.
They're not trapped. That's where they live, I think. Leave them. They'll come out when they want.
Okay.
What were you doing, Sissy, with that? Who taught you how to do that? Huh? No one taught you. No, don't put it this side, because now you're making it messy.
Brown. Mix, and mix, and mix. Gray comes on top. was on top of the grey. They mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. And more grey. And more grey. More grey. And more brown. More brown. Mix, mix.
You have to be careful, guys, with that dog. You have to be careful. To receive his vaccination dog, I hope you have, for the sake of my babies. Oh, you have to wash your hands before putting them in your mouth. Yeah.
We washed the dog.
There is a tap there, so you can wash your hands.
Mama, we washed the dog.
No. You want to wash the dog?
We did wash the dog.
When?
When you recording.
I didn't see you washing the dog.
Yeah.
You wash the dog, Oti. Oti, put that back inside before someone gets hurt.
Osmo, did we wash the dog? Yeah.
Oh, now the tap is there, right there, straight.
Why did you go straight?
Pull up your sleeve.
The door's all the way open.
Nyamandlovu, did you put all this soil in the bucket?
Sandcastle.
You're the one who put it all in the basket? By yourself?
Now we're off now.
But you won't make a sandcastle because this is dry. It doesn't have water in it. It's not like the beach one, is it? Careful with your eyes. Look now.
Where's water?
No, you can't put water in there. How are you going to do that?
Let's go, Mama.
No, I'm not going anywhere. Ask your coco.
kwakungenazulu vele isikhathi sakho
Don't run away.
walephinde bisela khona abantu kwabavuka la antiwa waqala kena wabebise umuntu wayeluthiwa wayelayo khona ngale ngesikhathi ebisela abantu
Why are you holding it? Why are you holding it?
Are you not scared?
No.
No?
I'm not scared.
I thought you'd be scared.
Huh? Yeah, Mama.
Yeah, it's a goat meat.
It was just a bad all the day. Now it's gone. I'm sad they killed the goat.
You said?
Yeah.
Oh. Go wipe your mouth, Anna. With water there. Why are you saying ew, Anna? Ophir?
Not on the floor.
awufuna ukuthi ngisatshela ukuthi singathi kuyale
hayi nanenzela ukuthi abophe kahle man